Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I want to show you two services that you can offer on the Fiverr platform and make at least $100 or $200 per day depending on how you price your service, right guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivette and we talk about ways that we can make money online, money making tips, everything relating to money, personal development, personal finance, all that good stuff, right, guys? But mainly how that you can make money with your skills or whatever services that you offer, different ways that you can make money online. So, guys, the Fiverr platform is a freelancing platform. It is free to join. There's a link in the description where you can join. So, guys, two services that are on the Fiverr platform that you can offer without you don't have to have a degree, you don't have to have any experience, you don't have to have any just do these two um services on the platform and start making some money, right? So the first one is unboxing videos. And guys, if you're on social media, you'll know that you'll see a lot of persons, whether influencers or not, are unboxing products that they have bought, and they are showing you how it works and and giving their reviews and stuff like that, right? So there are persons also, brands, who will reach out to persons on their social media platform and send them stuff for them to do an unboxing or to do a product review. So you can start this type of service on the Fiverr platform and offer this as a service and start making some money. All right, so as I said, unboxing videos. Guys, unboxing is not anything difficult, right? It's just unboxing whatever products that you have that the brands sent you, or persons who are maybe, they have a small business or so, and they want you to unbox their videos, and they're using it. They're requiring your services on the Fiverr platform to do it, right? So that they can either put it on their website or their social media pages, right? So guys, the unboxing video on Fiverr, this category has 462 services available. So guys, it's not really competitive comparing to other services like data entry that has like over 60 odd thousand services on the platform. So this is a very small area that you can get into and you can start making some money, right? So as I say, depending on the type of what you charge, then you can put it and it determines how much you make, right? So normally product unboxing videos are not normally any long videos. Sometimes are like up to a minute, right? So 60 seconds, 1 minute, right? So up to a minute, right? So depending on how much orders you get, you can determine how much money you make in a day. Sometimes you can get 3, 4, 5 orders, right? And it's just a minute. So that is at 5 minutes, right? So take for example, this person has $25 as her starting rate, and it says I will make a 4K unboxing video for your product, and they have already gotten 45 4.9 star review, right? This person says I will create unboxing and demo video for your products, um 5 5-star reviews already, and she charges $40 starting. This person is a level 2 seller on Fiverr, and he says, I will create an Amazon product unboxing video for you. So this person is specifically targeting Amazon, right? So you can niche down if you want, or it doesn't matter to you, right? And this person, their starting rate is $400, right? And they already have 139 4.9 stars review, right? So guys, if you say this person has 139 um 4.9 stars review at $400, right? That's 55,600, and this is just a basic package for this person, right? And you would, I mean, just think about it. If you even say, all right, for a minute, right? And you charge $400 for a minute, right? A video for a minute, and you times that by five, right? That's like $2,000, right? That's $2,000 for the day, right? So it depends what you charge. This person charges $145, and they already have 48 five-star reviews. So you see the potential that I'm talking about, guys. The potential is there. This person is a pro verified Fiverr seller, and this says that this gig is offered by unrivaled talent varied by Fiverr for quality and service. Guys, look, $1,200. $1,200, guys. So you see the potential, guys. And this doesn't charge any, you don't have to have any service, you don't have to have any experience, you don't have to need to have any qualification or anything. Just unboxing some videos, taking good videos, and offering that as a service on the platform. So guys, as I said, don't sleep on this. Start making some unboxing videos. Put up a gig and offer this as a service, and promote your gig as much as possible. Use your social media platforms, your Instagram, your TikTok, your Facebook, your Twitter, even on Pinterest. Promote your service, right? So the other service that I want to talk to you about is product reviews, right? So it's similar to the unboxing video, but this you're gonna do your own review on the product that you have received, right? So on the platform there are 308 services available, and so it's not competitive at all. So you can start put up a service and start offering that to clients, right? So this person says, I will review and take pictures and or video with your products. So they will do take pictures, they will do videos of the product, and her service starts at $35, and she has already gotten 8 five-star reviews, right? This person says, I will import bulk reviews, write descriptions for Shopify, right? So you see that and WooCommerce products. So this person starts at $5, and they already have 39 five-star reviews. So guys, depending on how much you price your gig, depending on how much you will earn, right? This person says, I will review products and services for brands. She has already gotten one review and $85. This person says, I will review products with acting and video. So she will do acting and video production. $50 for her service starting price, 29 five-star reviews. Guys, I'm just showing you that there's no way you cannot be making money online by doing simple stuff. Simple stuff, guys. Just doing product reviews, right? Doing product reviews and unboxing videos, and you can charge any amount based on what you want to charge, right? So the possibilities are endless, and you can see that persons are making money on the platform. So as I said, guys, look at this one. This one says, I will do a video product review. I will do a video product review on a YouTube channel with 10K subs. Oh my God, this person is even so specific. And this person is a top rated seller on Fiverr, and their starting price is $995. Guys, start putting up at least a gig or two and start making some money. Guys, I mean, you have so many talents. You just need to showcase them and start making some money with your talents. As I say, you don't need to have any degree or any experience. These are unboxing, these are product reviews. You use a product, and you can, I mean, many persons start out on their social media pages by promoting product that they have used, that have helped them tremendously. Some persons may have an issue with their skin or maybe their hair, right? And they may have tried a product, and they use it, and they have seen great results, and brands reach out to them, and they are making money, right? So, guys, this is an opportunity for you to start making some money in 2023, right? You want to achieve financial freedom? Here's an opportunity where you can try and showcase your service and start offering your services and get paid, right? Guys, even if you start at if you decide to start at $5, you don't have to stay there. Once you start getting your reviews, you can increase your prices, and the possibilities are endless, right, guys? So that's what I want to show you in this video. And guys, if you love this content, please, 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 please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, because it really help out the channel, and it really tells YouTube to show this content to many persons out there, right, guys? So please subscribe to the channel, please like the videos, and leave a comment on the videos, guys. Let me know what you want to see on the channel. If you like the video, tell me. If you don't like it, what ways that I need to improve, or if you have any other suggestions, let me know. Just put it in the comments. Like the videos, subscribe to the videos, share the videos, tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, guys. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye, everyone.